how to use AI to create a Wix website. So right here, I'm just going to click on create a new site, and it will give us this option. So bring your ideas to life with AI. Get started faster with the help of AI. Tell us about yourself, personalized tools, images, and text for your site. So we can start chat, and here we will talk to WIX AI. So first, let's get started with your site setup. What do you want to call your site? So I'm going to call it Net Online Store. And here you have some different options. You can rephrase the question. You can get help with the answer. You can skip specific questions, or you can end the chat and continue manually. But right here, I'll just input this prompt here, and the AI will think of another question to ask us. So tell me a little bit about your business. What do you sell or provide to your online store? So I'm going to do, I sell online courses. So here you will obviously answer according to your needs and what you are building a website around. So that's fantastic. Online courses are a great way to share knowledge. Who are your target audience for these courses? I'm going to do an older American audience. And let's see what WIX AI hits us with next. Could you please provide general location for your business? So for this, I will skip the answer or skip the question. So I'm going to use this option. I want to skip this question, and let's see what it hits us with next. Let's move on. Do you have any specific details you'd like to share about your business history, values, or unique selling point? So let's use the help me answer option here. So it will basically ask for more details. Can you give me some suggestions for how to answer? And let's see what WIX AI gives us this time. Okay, so it just said, no, I will not help you answer. You're good to go. So let's go to dashboard, see what it came up with. So now it's going to generate some custom images and something according to our website. So this is what it's going to look like. Now, if we click on design site here, then the next step here is let WIX create a website for you or customize a design template. So I'm going to do AI again, so get started. Let's see what WIX can come up with. So it will ask us for business name. So right here we can do Net Online Store, email address, phone. I'm going to click on next here. So it will give us some predetermined or pre-selected templates. So we can do evolution here, click on next, and preparing your homepage designs. So Net Online Store welcomes you. All right, you can choose one of these templates here. Let's do this one. See what it gives us next. So it will take some time. Okay, add pages to your website. So we can add an about page, a contact page. We just gotta select those. Frequently asked questions, click on next. And now it's gonna automatically prepare this website for us, so with the help of AI. So that's pretty much it. That's how you use WIX AI to get a website done. Hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.